guys, this is Ayman with Credit Repair Appointments. I'm just here to make a quick video to show you one of the results from our clients. We booked around 180 appointments in 30 days, and I'm going to show you right now. See, this is this was the first. We launched the ads on first, and then the appointments start coming in. This is the first week. This is the second week, and third, and this is by the end of the month. So basically, this is actually a client that was spending around $100 a day. He had a sales team, so obviously, like you can't be double booked like this if you're the only one taking the calls. Spent 3 grand on ads in 30 days. Out of the 180 calls, he closed 55 deals, and he was charging $695. So he made somewhere around $38,000 in upfront cash out of a $3,000 ad spend. We recommend for people who are just starting or doing below $10,000 a month in business to start with like a $30 a day budget so they can handle the amount of leads and appointments that they're getting. But once you scale up, you need a team, and then you push the ad spend so that way you get way more calls, and then you can hit 30, 40, 50 grand a month with your credit repair business. If you're interested in work, we can guarantee you 100 prospects in the first 30 days, or you don't pay anything. I'm not joking. And if you're interested in growing your credit repair business, click the link below, book in your call, and let's talk.